Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the animated Venom comment on your comment section. So you cannot just type in Venom on a random video because it's not gonna show up. So let's just select the comment and just delete that. Sorry, Gabby. Then you're just going to go to the search bar on the top right corner of TikTok, and then you're going to select the search section. I'm just going to type in Venom Official. Then you're going to select Venom Official, select Venom Movie, and just select any video there is. So I'll just select this one. Then you're going to just select the comment section, and you're going to type in Venom. If that doesn't work, just type in like another way. I don't know why it's not, I think it like ended already. But here I'm gonna try typing it in a different video. There we go. Okay, it worked on this video, but it didn't work on the other video. So just go to like another video and hopefully you'll be able to get the animation. And maybe this is how you should type it, just like capital V and then the rest in undercase. I'm just gonna delete these. Actually, I'll just leave it. It's fine. But that's how you can get the animated Venom comment. Again, make sure you commented on the Venom movie account and not on anyone else's account because it's not going to work. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.